Hi students, now we learn 5th standard social studies subject, lesson 1, globe and maps, and the topic is exercise. Today we will take the practice of question answer that we have to you answer in the exam. So let's see the answer of previous session. Question 1, name 4 major direction. You know that there are 4 major direction. One is the north, second south, third is the east, and fourth is the west. Second is that define the scale of map, the ratio between the distance of any two places on the ground and the distance of the same two places on the map. Means whatever the distance of any two places on the ground and the distance of the same two places on the map is known as the scale of map. Means for example, the distance of any two places on the ground is 50 kilometer. The distance of the same two places on the map is also 50 kilometers. So this ratio is called scale of map. So northeast lies between the north and east. Southwest lies between the south and west. Okay. In this way, we clear our previous session's answer. So let's start. It is the previous session question answer is over. So let's start today's session with the first question. Question A, multiple choice question, tick the correct option. Question 1, a model of the earth that gives an accurate idea about it is a globe. So globe is a model of the earth that gives an accurate idea about the earth. Second question is that you know the answer, the book of map is known as atlas. Understand? The book of map is known as atlas. Then same question number third, the shape of the earth is a sphere or geoid. Remember it. And maps are data's dimensional representation of the earth on a flat surface. The answer is that maps are two-dimensional. Then question B, fill in the blanks. Map distort the shape and size of the land forms. Second, the map showing the border of different countries and the states are called political map. So political map show the borders of different countries and states. Third, maps are drawn according to the scale. You know that scale is used to draw the map. And directions are important part of dash reading. Map means without direction we can't read the map. Question C, match the column. It's also very easy. What is globe? Globe is a model of the earth. Okay. What is map? A map is a representation of earth on a flat surface. Atlas. What is in the atlas? A book of maps is called atlas. Earth. Earth. How is the shape of the earth? Like a sphere or geoid. And south. What is the position of the south direction? Always at the bottom of the map. Check out and correct out and learn it. And last question of today's session is that question option D, answer the following in one word. The model of the earth that gives us an idea of the surface of the earth is called globe. So model of the earth is called globe. A person who makes the map, a person who develops the maps is called as cartographer. Remember, a cartographer is a person who makes the map. Map showing physical features such as forests, mountains and rivers are called physical map. So in this way, we see the exercise 1, 2, 3, 4th question. The ratio between the distance on the ground and the same distance on the map is known as the scale of map. And the last question, once again repeated, you learn so many times, a book of map is known as atlas. So in this way, we learn the all exercise from A to D. So it is your duty to learn it proper and write the answer in the textbook directly. Understand? Learn and write the answer in the textbook. Okay. Thank you.